boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have another Green Day song here. Corvette Summer, great song here, really catches the feeling of summer and Corvettes. Nice song here. Let's dive into this one. We'll go with a capo on the second fret. That will be the easiest scenario here for us to have the best chords possible. And let's go over the chords now. I think we have 6 chords. So yeah, let's start with the B, and we will not go for the standard chords always here, because we'll chew a lot on the bass strings, so we don't need to care about strings down below that much for all these chords. So for B, I hold like this. It's the 2nd fret on A, the 4th on D, and 4th on G. That's what I'm using here. So if you go down below there, it doesn't matter really if you get the open B string. That's the exact same note as the 4th on the G, which you're holding, so it doesn't hurt to go down there. So that's the B grip. We have the C sharp grip. I take the very same grip here and I go over to this position here. So it's the exact same grip. Now you are on the 4th fret A, 6th fret D, and 6th G. All right, so that's the C. Then we have the A. I'll go with the sus version. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, and then open B. I don't go all the way down there on this A either. So that is A. And then we have the E. So that is a standard E, open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. All right, and then we have D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And then the final chord will be the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, and like I mentioned, for all these chords, I don't play the full downstrokes here, so we are staying with the bass strings, bass mid or so. Alright, so we have basically 2 different parts in the song, the verse and the chorus, okay? Then we will have a bridge part later on, but this verse and chorus goes mainly in the song here. So we will start actually with the chorus, because that is also how the song starts, with an intro that is played. So you play the chorus play there. Anyway, let's start with the chorus. It goes like this. First round, and then the second round there is a different ending. Anyway, we'll come to that. We'll start with B, so just play 1 down there, and then you shift to A and play 2 downs, and then you go to E and play this part. So it's 2 fast downs and then 2 single downs. So right, that's the first half. So B, A, E, 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 E. And then you're gonna apply the same kind of rhythm here, but with different chords. You're gonna now play 1 down on A. In the same way as you play the B, 1 down, you play now A. And then 2 downs on E, 2 fast downs. And then you do the 4 downs in total on B there. So 2 fast and 2 singles. Okay, so it's the same principle here for the first half as in the second half. So the first round in this chorus was B, A, E, 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 and then A, E, E, B, 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 like this. Missed on 1 string there, but anyway, I think you understand. That's the first round. We will play 2 rounds of this. So the second round will be exactly the same, but the ending there is different. So you're gonna start with B, A, E, 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 and then A, E, E. Everything is the same till the last chord. On the B there, you just end with 1 down. The first down On that one, you play that, and then it's a big pause, and that builds up for the next part, which is the verse. So the last round will be and a big pause there. All right, so 2 rounds of that. That's your first, you can say intro and also chorus later. We'll come to that, but now after this intro, you go into the verse play. Okay, so the verse play here, we have a strumming pattern that is all about many downs. Okay, and it will be divided into 2 different parts, but you need to really get the feeling for this rhythm here. So I will show you technically how it's done, how many downs everything is, but you cannot count this. You have to just get it into your blood, so to speak, the rhythm here, so you feel when it's time to change the chords. So I'm gonna demonstrate 1 verse round for you, so you hear how it's done, and then I explain how it's done. So let's go. All right, so we'll go from B to the C. All right, B to C sharp. So we have that 2 chords are splitting on this strumming pattern. So the strumming pattern covers 2 chords at a time. So B to C will be 1 round, and then E to B will be 1 round of the strumming. So we'll look at the first part there, the B to C. It goes like this. So the first part on B will be about 7 downs. So what I do here, I count in my head. If I count, I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So 7 in total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then I immediately change to the C, and that's the second part. And I play 1 on that, and I pause, and then I do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So on B, you play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 7 downs in total, and then I play the C sharp as if it was the 8th down. Okay? So that fast. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay? On the C sharp, and then you make a pause there as if it's kind of 1 extra down there that you don't hear, and then I continue with 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 on that C sharp. That's the part 2. So slowly it goes like this. All right, again. So that is how you play part 1 and part 2, B and C sharp. Then you apply the same principle here with the next 2 chords, E and B. So E is played in the same way as the B was, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then you change fast to B and play in the same way as you play the C sharp, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Anyway, I think you understand. I'm going to take you through 1 round of this slowly. So it goes like this. So that is 1 round of the verse. You're gonna play 4 rounds. So a couple rounds goes. All right. Notice there, it both starts and ends on B. So what I do there on the last, I just take a lift off the last down in part 2, the last B, so to speak, in every incorporation round there, I play open like this, just to mark it's the end of this round, and you start on the next round. That's just what I do. You don't have to do that, but I do it like that. So the last B goes open there, and then I start again on the first B. Okay, so 4 rounds of that is the verse play, and then you go over to play the chorus. That is technically the first chorus you play. The first one was the intro, so this is the first chorus. You're gonna play the same there, so 2 rounds of that, no changes, and then you go to the second verse and play 4 rounds of that, no changes there again, and then you go back and play the second chorus. So no changes there either. That's the second chorus. So 2 rounds in the choruses and 4 rounds in verses. And so far we played the second chorus. Then after the second chorus comes the solo kind of bridge part. We are now about 1 minute and 54 seconds into the song. We're gonna apply the same playing here as we do for the verse, the part 1 and part 2 thing. With the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that is now with different chords. So the chord progression will now be D, part 1. That is the 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then we go to E and play 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And that's the first half. So D to E, and then you apply the same principle here for G to A. So the chord progression will be D, E, G, A, like this. Like that. I played 4 rounds now for you. You don't have to do that. You only play 2 rounds of that. And then on the last time, the second round, you play A. You finish that off. So you're gonna play 1, 2 on the G there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then you stay with that A and play 4 downs for 1 string around. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be 1 string around. This is the part that is added to this 2 full string rounds. So you complete the 2 full rounds there of the strumming as if it just would be 2 rounds of verse. So D, E, G, A. You complete that 2 full rounds, and then you add and stay on the A with 1, 2, 3, 4 for 6 rounds. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is the end of this solo. So you stay with this A, and that builds up this for the next part. So to summarize the solo, it was D, E, G, A, and you play 2 full rounds of that with the same principle as when you play the verse play, and then you stay with the last A and play 1, 2, 3, 4 for 6 rounds. Hope that it was good explained enough. Hope you understand that. And after this solo part, we go into the final part, which is the third chorus. Okay, so the third chorus is longer than the others, so it will be twice as long for 4 rounds. When you play these 4 rounds in the end here, remember the first half of the chorus was when you play the last B, 2 fast downs and 2 singles. You're gonna play 3 rounds of that, okay? And on the 4th and last round, you play it with the final B, just 1 down. So the first 3 rounds, you play them in the same way as you play the first half in the chorus, and then you end with just 1 down on B. And that pretty much summarizes Green Day's Corvette Summer. Hope you enjoyed this, and if it was helpful, please let me know. And yeah, I hope you appreciate this tutorial if you did, so please give me a like on this one and support me here on Goran Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.